We live in an era, gentlemen, where the very devices designed to serve us often feel destined for the landfill before their first firmware update. Planned obsolescence, a slow leak in the global economy, ensures we are perpetually cycling through disposable tech, bleeding value and patience with every brittle casing and compromised component. But there are exceptions. There is the Orion Standard, and occasionally, a product emerges that not only defies this pervasive mediocrity, but actively combats it. Today, we cast a discerning eye upon the LetPot LPH SE hydroponics growing system, an indoor garden kit that is less a novelty and more a precision instrument. Consider for a moment the true cost of inefficiency, the subtle drain on your most valuable asset, your time. Imagine a global professional, perhaps beginning their day in a London home office, later catching a transatlantic flight, and attempting to unwind after a demanding week in a high-rise apartment in New York or Toronto. The subtle hum of disorganization in one's personal space can ripple through their professional demeanor. Envision the silent judgment, the unspoken reputational tax, when even the simplest attempts at fostering a personal sanctuary, like growing fresh herbs, devolve into a struggle with forgotten watering schedules and anemic growth due to inadequate lighting. This is not merely about a plant. It is about the projection of control, of attention to detail, and the profound impact a well-ordered environment has on a high-stakes professional. Every second spent troubleshooting a budget system, every dollar wasted on wilting produce, is revenue forfeited, opportunity cost compounding in a manner far more insidious than a simple purchase price. Let us quantify this insidious leakage. The LetPot LPH SE, with its proprietary app and smart reminders, effectively automates the complexities of indoor cultivation. If this system saves you just 15 minutes each day, time you would otherwise spend fussing with manual timers, checking water levels, or even just agonizing over the health of your plants, that accumulates to a staggering 5 hours per month. For a professional operating in the vibrant economies of London or San Francisco, where your expertise commands hundreds of dollars an hour, 5 hours translates into many hundreds, potentially thousands of dollars of recovered productive capacity, or perhaps more importantly, regained personal tranquility. The 3 times faster growth rate, fueled by a true 24-watt full-spectrum LED system, ensures your investment in time and energy delivers consistent, tangible returns, mitigating the ongoing mental tax of failure. Now, let us turn to the physicality, the industrial design of this system, for this is where the commitment to durability and performance truly manifests. The chassis, far from being a flimsy plastic shell, boasts a sophisticated double-layer construction, an inner wall of high-density, food-grade resin, engineered for optimal thermal stability of the 5.5-liter, approximately 1.45-gallon, water reservoir, enveloped by an outer skin of robust stainless steel. This isn't just aesthetics, it is a calculated choice in materials, providing exceptional ease of cleaning and long-term durability, protecting your investment from the inevitable stresses of continuous operation. The LED lighting rod, adjustable up to 30 inches, moves with a purposeful, solid engagement, a testament to over-engineered components designed for precision and longevity, not mere utility. This is the kind of design fidelity you typically find in high-end medical equipment or luxury kitchen appliances, not usually an indoor garden kit. And like any piece of truly professional-grade equipment, the LetPot LPH SE carries a calculated quirk. This system, with its deep app integration and granular control over 2 distinct LED lighting modes, optimizing for vegetative blue light or flowering red light, is arguably too much for the casual hobbyist. For those seeking a simple, passive garden, its extensive capabilities might even be perceived as overly complex. But for the discerning professional, that perceived complexity is the precise mechanism for unparalleled control, for dialing in the exact environmental parameters necessary to extract maximum yield and vitality from every one of its 12 pods. The robust construction and comprehensive digital oversight are not for the faint of heart, but for the individual who demands peak performance and consistent results from every tool in their arsenal. It is unequivocally an intercontinental-grade instrument designed for a life of demanding use, whether your office is in Canary Wharf or a Manhattan skyscraper. The embedded Wi-Fi for continuous remote hardware and app upgrades ensures it is not just built for today, but designed for tomorrow, perpetually adapting to new horticultural insights without demanding a physical replacement. The 2026 global supply chain, as you well know, remains a volatile landscape. Prices at regional hubs across the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada are shifting constantly. This is not a purchase to be made without due diligence, a strategic pulse check on the current market value. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.